Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Kukai Wallet login problem. Kukai Wallet is a popular Tezos wallet that allows users to log in using Google, Twitter, X, email or wallet, while sometimes users may face login problem due to browser issues, network errors or incorrect login methods. Do not worry, most Kukai Wallet login issues are easy to fix, and in this guide I'll show you all the possible ways to fix Kukai Wallet login problem step by step. First, make sure to check your internet connection. Before anything else, make sure you have a stable internet connection. You can switch between your Wi-Fi or the mobile data. You can turn on your airplane mode on and off, avoid slow or unstable network, and make sure you're using the official Kukai website. Many login problems happen due to fake or phishing website. First, open to the wallet. First, open any of the web browser. In the top, there's an address bar. Type down wallet.kukai.app over here. Also, refresh the page or restart the browser over here. And a temporary browser glitch can stop Kukai from loading properly. Refresh the Kukai wallet page, close the browser completely, and reopen it. You can simply close it and you can reopen it and try opening Kukai wallet again. You can also disable VPN ad blocker as extension. Some VPNs or browser extension may block Kukai wallet. Turn off VPN, disable ad blockers and security extension, reload Kukai wallet and try again. You can also try a different browser or device if Kukai still does not log in. And Kukai login problem are usually caused by the browser, VPNs, wrong login methods or the networking issue, and by following this step carefully you should be able to log in successfully and access to your Tezos funds. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.